Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Monday, August 28th. Time is around 7:30 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Wanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart. My take on the NASDAQ is that we made a wave 3 high here, and that we are currently working here on this wave 4. This wave 4 is quite a big zone. So yeah, the question is like, is the wave 4 finished here, or do we go deeper into the zone? If you want to have a bit more context, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis that I made this weekend. For now, I just focus here on this structure here as a wave 4. So yeah, just like last week, we have some possibilities, or there are a couple of scenarios that can play out with the Nasdaq. So first of all, it could be that our wave 4 is excuse me, that our wave 4 is actually finished here. Then that would mean we had this WXY correction here, A, B, C, and then wave W finished, wave X, and then again A, B, C, or WXY. I would label it. Then yeah, this can be this looks like a mature correction, but yeah, if I look at other indices, I would think that we will see overall a bit more downside. It would also not be so surprising that we would go yeah, deeper here into this wave 4 area. For now, we are only at yeah, like at the top of this area. So if we would reach some level somewhere here, that would not be so surprising or exceptional. And also, if we look at the like at the weekly, I would expect that we would like kind of test this trend line from below and see like make some kind of downward trend line here, like a bearish cycle, and then to end with one more high in price, but we end here with divergence. So then we would be ready for a bigger pullback. Then this wave 1 here is finished, and we go deeper as a wave 2. That would be my main expectation. So that the correction here is not over yet, but that we will see like a second leg of the correction. And then there are excuse me, there are actually two ways that this can play out. Like first, so we need a corrective structure here as a wave 4. As it looks now, I would say we will do like a WXY like this, that we here had a W that consisted of another WXY structure, that we will now do a wave X to the upside as an ABC, and that we then get our second corrective leg again, so as a wave Y, which can be an ABC, which can also be another WXY. We have to see, we have to wait for more data. But there's also still a small chance that we get an ABC structure overall. That would mean that we get here one more low. We take out this low here before turning up. Then this would become 5 ways: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last week I put this area here on my chart and said, like, I remember when I was recording, we were literally here, and I said, yeah, now we had to turn down in order for this to be wave 4, and we actually turned down. So this can still be our wave 4, and that we are now working on a wave 5 to the downside. So that's that's something that is uh, possible. We cannot exclude this. Of course, as soon as we take out this high, the wave 4 is no longer, or the 5 waves down scenario as wave A is no longer possible. But as you can see, we are now somewhere in between, so we cannot exclude it. However, it's my secondary scenario. It's indicated in red. So now let's continue with the scenario in green. So like I said, WXY to finish our wave W here. And then, yeah, we need to go into this area to have our wave X. Actually, we already went in this area. So another scenario might be that our ABC was in here. This is also possible, but if I take everything together, I mean everything, also like the data and the charts from the other indices, I would expect first some more upside before more downside. And if this is the case, then I think we go again into this area. But so it's important to know that, yeah, if it is WXY, that or wave X might actually already be in here, A, B, C, and that we now started already the second leg. But this is not how it looks like. My primary scenario would be that we go back into this area. So first a bit more upside again before we are turning down. So then let's have a closer look at this in the 1 hour. So here we have our our five waves up as a wave A. Then I think this here was our wave B. I gave you this this area where the wave B is supposed to go. So we know that the wave B should go into the area here between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. We went in this area, and so now it looks like we want to go out. So let's see if we see more upside from here. I believe so, but yeah, like I said, unfortunately for the moment, we are moving corrective. There are several possible scenarios that can play out. So I just shared these scenarios with you, the possible Elliott wave counts that I see, but this would be my primary one, wave A, wave B. So I think the wave B low is in now, and if this is the case, we know the target for our wave C. So if we take the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B, then here this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension becomes the target for our wave C. So part of this area coincides here with the area of our wave X. So yeah, I would expect from here that we can see a downside again, or at least a reaction to the downside. Then we have to further analyze, see which data we get. So yeah, this would be my primary expectation. Now 5 waves up as a wave C into this area. Ideally, we reach the equal leg area, so this wave C area. However, it can be enough just to take out this wave A here. Then this can be a mature correction. Actually, then this is an ABC as if we go beyond this wave A high. So unfortunately, there is not enough data yet to analyze this, but this should play out as as 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a wave C, so we need to see 5 waves ending with divergence. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.